I'm here to talk to you about LCM. What do you understand by LCM? LCM simply means what? The lowest common multiple. Before we talk about the lowest common multiple, there are what? Common multiples. And before we talk about the common multiples, there are multiples. What are multiples? Multiples are numbers obtained from multiplying a number from different numbers. Now, common multiples are obtained from what? Having a set of numbers whereby the common multiples are picked out and you pick out what? The lowest common multiples among those numbers. For example, let's look at two numbers. LCM of 2 and 5. LCM of 2 and 5. So we look at LCM of 2 and the multiples of 2. Like I said, the multiples are numbers obtained from multiplying a number with different numbers. Now we're going to pick out the multiple of 2 from 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2, 4. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now look at 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and let's go. You look at these two numbers, it has common multiples. Let's look at the common multiples. This is it. 1, 2. There is 10 here and there's 10 here is a common multiple. 20 is here, 20 is here, is a common multiple. 30 is a multiple of 2 and 30 is a multiple of 5. So it's a common multiple. But among these multiples, you can see there's the one that's the lowest. Now the lowest common multiple is the LCM, and that is 10. So LCM is equals to 10. You list the multiples and pick out the common multiples. That is one. Now we're going to look at another one. Exercise. LCM of 3, 4, and 2. Now we're going to look at the LCM of 3, 4, and 12. 3. List out the multiples of 3, starting from 1. You have 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. 9. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 5, 15. 18. 21. 24. 27. 30, 33, 36, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, then 44 and 48. I have 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, have 84, have 96, 8, 90, 82, and 144. Now, all these are the multiples of 3, 4, and 12 from 1 to 12. We've listed out the first 12 multiples of 3. 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The first 12 multiples of 3. The first 12 multiples of 4. The first 12 multiples of 12. Now, some cases, the common multiples of the numbers we are asked for may not be found among the first 12 multiples. It may not be found among the first 20 multiples. No, what you do is, the essence of this is to pick out the common multiples, whether the first 5 or the first 10 or the first 15 or first 20. Now looking at this, you look at 3, you have 6, you have 9. Do you have 3 here? That's the question you ask. No, you have 3 here, so it is not a common multiple. You get to 6. Do you have 6 here? No, it's not a common multiple. 9, there's no 9 here, neither is it here, it's not a common multiple. We come to 12. There is 12 here, we have 12 here, and we have 12 here, so it is a common multiple. We come to 15. We have 15 here, and there is no 15 here, so it's not a common multiple. 18. There's no 18 here, if you look through, so it's not a common multiple. We have to look at 21. There is no 21 here, neither is it here, it's not a common multiple. We go to 24. Now you see 24 is here and here, so it is a common multiple. 27, there is no 27, if you look at it, neither is it here, it's not a common multiple. 30, 33, you go 36, 36 is here, and it's here, and it's here, so it's a common multiple. Now these common multiples are 12, 24, and 36. These are the common multiples of 3, 4, and 12. Now, we are not looking for the common multiple, but we are looking for the lowest common multiple. Now, of these 3 common multiples, the lowest is 12. So 12 is the lowest common multiple. So that is it. Now, we are going to see a simpler method of how to get the LCM, because by listing this, you may list the first 12 multiples and you will not get the common multiple from them. You may list the first 20 multiples and you may not get the common multiple from it. You may even list the first 30 multiples of the numbers you are asked for and you may not get the common multiple. So how then can we find the LCM? We are going to look at a simpler method. Watch out and see. Now we have 3, 4, 12. 3, 4, and 12. The first thing you do is you create a table and you create columns for each of the numbers that you are asked for to find the LCM. And you create a separate column. This column comprises of the prime numbers you will use to divide through each of these numbers. And the numbers you get here, you will multiply them, and with that you will get the LCM. Watch me as we do. Now we'll ask ourselves, which of the numbers or prime numbers can we use to divide any of them? Look at it, 3 can go through, 2 can go through. Now let's look at 3 first. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 cannot divide 4, so 4 will be brought down. 3 divided by 12 is 4. Now you have just 4 here. So what prime number can divide 4? 2. 2, 2. 2 again. 1. Now we're going to multiply all these numbers. And that's where you get the LCM. 3 times 2 times 2. That is equals to 12. So the LCM is what? 12. If you like my video, I want you to like it and also share it. Also, you will need to subscribe to see more of my videos. And most importantly, I would love you to practice questions that pertains to this topic, because if you don't practice maths, you can't know maths. So I will admonish you again, practice more questions so you get more familiar with this topic and the method of how to find the LCM. Thank you for watching.